what I find very exciting about a multidisciplinary conference is you get ideas from people that you'd never thought of before.
The audience was great, they were very attentive, and it has been well organized. Everything went very smoothly, and I'm so happy that I attended the conference.
This is a very healthy culture which promotes communication and networking among scholars who are educated and trained in different disciplinary cultures.
In fact, this is my third conference attending with GCBSS, and I learned a lot from my fellow presenters today. Some presenters talked about strategic management and really up-to-date issues, so really it's a very good gathering of scholars.
Thank you to all the people attending the 10th GITR conference here in Malaysia. And so far it's been very exciting with a lot of excellent presentations, and we look forward to the next day.
The conference is very exciting. We have plenary sessions, we have discussion sessions, we have presentation sessions, and it's well arranged. The venues, they're excellent. And I just want to call people all over the world to come and attend these conferences.
So really enjoyable experience so far. I'm learning a lot. The combination of social sciences and business is a new one, and how it might fit into some of my own research in conflict resolution. So definitely an enjoyable experience.
I am very happy with the attendance of this conference because, to my understanding, it is one of its kind ever attended, where it composed of many professors. In fact, even in my culinary session, we have more than 5 professors. So they are there to contribute.